define tolerance groups. Define tolerance groups. So if you go to OBA0, here we have company code, tolerance group, and name. So take the new entries, and our company code is GIP, and group is there. So I don't want to create any group. So I'm just giving the name GIP tolerance group. So tolerances for groups GL accounts in local currency. What does this mean? If you click on function F1, so a clearing differences in your favor are permitted up to the amount specified here. So while doing the clearing differences, for example, uh, already SAP is provided here. The local currency is EUR, for example. The field is debit. You have entered 30 euros, and in the percentage 1. Here you given as 30 and you given percentage 1. So for clearing transaction up to 3000, your maximum of debit and credit amounts, you accept the maximum of difference is 1%. So here, for example, you're giving the information 30 and 1 percentage. So system checks the permitted differences. So whichever is low, the percentage is 1 or 30, that will that differences only it will take, that will clear the amount. So while doing the clearing differences, I'll clearly show you. uh, so here this means that depending on the items involved, amounts from 0 to maximum 30 EUR are tolerated. So if you give, for example, 3000 we are posting, so permitted difference is 30 or 1% we have given, means 1 to 30 it will take, and it will the document get posted. So if you given more than 30 the differences, system throws the error that the permitted difference is more than given information. So more than that, something like that, the system throws the error. So I am giving just the information here, 100, the permitted difference 100. Your percentage is, I'm giving just 5. And we have tolerance groups for employees also, OB A4. So as we did not create any tolerance group, just go to create new, and our group is empty, so we did not created any group, and our company code is GIP. And amount per document means, so complete document level, normally I'll give maximum all 99s, and amount per line item account. So this complete document is different, line item level difference. The permitted, so amount will be shown here. If you are giving the information, this much of amount line item you can able to give for that particular line item. So this is complete document level, this is line item level only. So this is, I am given maximum cash discount per line item, so 5% I have given. And the permitted payment differences, same, I'm giving 100, 5%, giving 5%. So whichever the low amount, that system consider that a low amount only, and clear the differences while posting the clearing differences, while uh, in clearing purpose. Just save, go to OBA's OB57. So here we will assign group to the users. So you can see I did not created any group. but I want to show here this transaction here. So in your particular project, if they want to create authorization, for example, in above 52 we have create C, we have seen authorization group, right? So for example, OP52 GIP, here you can see authorization group is there. So if you create one group, if you assign here, the permitted group person only able to do the changes, something that is assigned here. Getting username, if you provide that group, and if you mention here the username, so that person will able to do changes. So we did not created any group here, so I'm just leaving as this.